Meet Swastik, a sophomore who immigrated to the US from Nepal. Like a lot of other learners here, he's a proud first-generation student. AIC makes sure that nothing stands in the way of your quality education. 99% of full-time undergraduates receive financial aid. And with dedicated programs for first-gen students, no one gets left behind here. All right, Swastik, let's hear it.
Hey Alex, hey everyone. Growing up, I always had my parents and my sister encouraging me about school. But as a first-gen student transitioning into college from high school, it was really difficult. I didn't have my parents help me through the change because they didn't go to college. Every time I wanted to give up, I reminded myself of the hardship my parents went through when we first came to US. At AIC, I remained open-minded and tried new things like clubs, classes, and meeting new friends. Once I did this and got used to living on my own, everything got easier. AIC clubs and organizations helped me put myself out there. I'm currently in 4 clubs: Taper Yearbook, Student Government Association, Student Activity Board, and Outdoors Club. Student government allows me to improve campus life for us. I work in the dorms, bring back events that students loved, and help improve how all campus organizations run. I also work as a student ambassador for admissions. Balancing all of this out can be difficult at times, but it's worth it. The best advice I have for first-gen students starting college is to reach out to family members, friends, professors for any kind of support you can get. Everyone here knows each other and is friendly and helpful. Because we're such a close community, getting to know people will help you with classes, mental health, and personal relationships. AIC is a great fit for me. The programs offered here will challenge you to become a stronger student and a better person. I'm not just learning about physical therapy. I'm learning how to be a leader, speak out loud in public, and make new connections. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Swastik, what a great story. It sounds like you hit the ground running at AIC and it paid off. Getting involved is a great way to make friends and memories that will last long after you graduate. There's something for everyone right here at AIC. Thanks, Swastik, for sharing your story, and take care.